Hi, it's Dr. Games, and I wanted to do a video today because I just ran into a problem on my Windows 10 system. The Edge, the Play Store, and Eternia and the Darkbook, none of them were showing up at all, or the Mail. And those are all Windows 10 apps. So what I had to do when I downloaded these from Bleeping Computer, and I'll show you that in a second, I downloaded 3. I had Rootkil, Adware Cleaner, and I also downloaded Junk Removal Tool. And let me show you where I got those from. It's very easy to get to, and they're excellent. They are absolutely excellent tools, and they're free. So if you just type in Bleeping Computer, and any of those would work actually. If you go there to Rootkil, you can just click on it and it'll let you download it now. And if you go here to download and go downloaded, those are the 3, and then I just I right click on them, open in a new tab, and then you get them. And they're easy to run. And just double click on them and they'll start up. And so when I ran the Rootkil, usually I never get any hits on the Rootkil, but in this particular case, and I don't know where this came from because I'm pretty careful about what sites I go to, it has this particular guy running here, MP Sig Stub. No idea where it came from. That was the only thing that it corrected. And then if you go onto your base, so I've got an Adware Cleaner folder, and it has the logs right here, and I'll show you what it found. And in this particular case, the combination of these two things, it removed this particular registry item, which I have no idea what that is, and it took out a couple of extra URLs that were added into my Chrome. And that was that. And when I started back up, everything was operational. Now there's a couple other things you can do as well. So for example, if you go here and you type CMD command tool. Now this is very important. Before you do what I'm going to show you next, you want to right click on it and click Run as Administrator. Okay, I'm back. For some reason, when I opened up the command prompt, it stopped the video recording. I'm not sure why, but it's running again. And you'll note that the last thing I did is I right-clicked, I did Run it as Administrator, and now you run SFC/scan, oops, if I could type, scan now, and then it's going to go through. And this actually takes quite a while. And just for the record, I didn't have to do this last time. It only got 44 of the way through and verified, and then and that's something to note, that Rootkil won't stop anything in the background unless it's malicious. But when I ran Adware Cleaner, it actually stopped my SFC scan now. And if you need to stop it, you can just hit Control-C, and that does that, and then exit out if you have to stop for some reason. Otherwise, that can be quite helpful, and that typically, I'd say, run it anywhere from a half an hour to 45 minutes it will take. If you've got a very old system with a lot of stuff on it, I've had it run for up to 2.5 hours. But on this one, half an hour, 45 minutes, and there's a fair amount of stuff. Okay, that's about it for this particular video. But again, and if you have additional problems or anything else, please leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to either do a supplemental video or to answer questions. Thank you so much.